Hi, we're Chef Avenue, a brand that creates high-performance, beautifully designed, accessible modern cookware. For the past few years, we've been developing a set of modular and compact pans which are perfect for everyday use. We're excited to introduce you to Omnipan, the multifunctional silicone pan which lets you cook, bake, and steam with ease, and conveniently stack and store when done. Omnipan was created to be all about the taste. In order to ensure optimal browning, its height and thickness were specifically designed for uniform heat circulation. Unlike other old greasy pans coated in dangerous chemicals, Omnipan is made of 100% high-grade silicone, which is naturally non-stick and FDA approved. We've developed Omnipan with a sturdy frame, able to maintain form where other flimsy silicone pans can't. It's a breeze to clean, and its durability eliminates the need for single-use consumables. We've also designed a custom-fit transparent lid, allowing you to watch your food as it cooks. Each lid is equipped with dual steam vents, preventing moisture condensation and giving you full control over the cooking process. Omnipan is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. We've made 2 different sets to fit all your kitchen needs: the starter set and the mega set. So, use it, stack it, store it. Join us in helping bring Omnipan to life.